Hi everyone, this is Stephanie from the Pasadena Public Library. Today we're going to be making this paper peace wreath. This is a really simple project and you can hang it on your door or anywhere in your house. So for this, all you need is some sheets of construction paper in different colors, some twine for hanging, you'll need a bit of ribbon for decoration, you'll need a paper plate with the center cut out, which I've already done here. You'll also need a pencil or pen and some scissors, and optionally, you can also use a stapler to speed up the process. You'll also need some liquid glue or a glue stick. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and trace my hands. You should probably be able to get 3 to 4 hands, depending on the size of your hands, out of each piece of construction paper. To make my cutting a little bit quicker, I am going to staple all 4 sheets together. So now I'm ready to cut everything out. So now my hands are cut out, I'm going to set them aside. Take your paper plate, and if you haven't already done so, cut out the center part of the plate so you have a base for the wreath. Use a pen or pencil to poke a hole near the top of your wreath, and I'm going to cut some twine and create a hanging loop. And you may find that you don't need to use all of the hands that you have. Just use as many as you would like. Make sure when you attach everything to the top that you don't glue down your little loop. So if you got glue on it, just go ahead and attach it before it dries. That way we can use this to hang our wreath later. So in order to attach my ribbon, I'm going to poke a couple of holes again. So I'm just going to do that right here at the bottom. And if you have a pen or a pencil, you can use that, or you can use a hole puncher. So this time I'm going to poke a couple of holes, maybe like ½ an inch away from each other. So then I'm just going to poke the ribbon out from the back through those 2 holes. Now just pull your ribbon so that both ends are about even with each other. There we go. And then you're going to tie it into a bow. So that's all you need to do. Now you just need to wait for your wreath to dry completely. So give it about an hour for all the glue to dry, and then you can go ahead and hang your wreath from your hanging loop. Thanks for watching.